Hey guys, today let's learn how to zoom in on CapCut. So in the case that you want to go ahead and basically zoom in on a specific video or photo that you are currently editing on the CapCut application on your PCs, in this video I'm going to teach you guys just how to do that, so just please watch this video until the end. Okay, so let's head on over and switch on to our CapCut applications right here. And as you see, all we need to basically do is you do need to have your import, or rather you do need to have your media and your raw files already imported onto the application and also on your timeline. And once you're already there, of course, if you want to go ahead and zoom in onto your specific media file, or in this case it is going to be a video, I just want you to go ahead and tap on this specific video file, and then of course from here under position and size we actually have this option called scale. And what scale does is it actually allows us to zoom in on the video. And how do you necessarily do that? Obviously all we need to do is to zoom in, or rather all we need to do is to bump up the scale onto our desired zoomed in position and leave it like that. And that's how you guys could zoom in on CapCut. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.